Dolphin will move to the left wing position. The team will line up with the runway, release the smoke. Lead element will separate from the group and fly rolls around the smoke trails. After 3 complete rolls, lead will fly parallel and to the front of a group, and then the group will perform crossover, a maneuver in which each airplane crosses each path with the other planes. In reality, this maneuver would be very, very dangerous to perform. Well, since it's going to take a little bit of time for our superstars to prepare for this maneuver, I'll just take my time and say a few very interesting facts about the flanker. Superstars chose to fly on Soviet Union-designed Sukhoi Su-27 airplane. This amazing aircraft was introduced in service some 2.5 decades ago. And even today, it still is the most maneuverable air superiority fighter airplane in the world. 2 Yulka Saturn AL-31F turbofans engines is producing about 12,500 kilograms of static thrust in full afterburn, as well as unstable aerodynamic design, allows skilled pilot to fly high angle of attack tail slide maneuvers such as Cobra, which at one moment causes the airplane to fly tail first. Amazing aircraft indeed. Superstars are at the south of the airstrip. Preparation for this next maneuver are almost over. Remember, our lead element over here will separate from the group and will fly 3 completed rolls around the smoke trails of the rest of the group. And at the end of the maneuver, superstars will perform a crossover. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Smoke trails are on. And rolls. Be ready for a crossover. And here we go, crossover. Alright, now goes separation in 2 pairs. Speed will be reduced to about 550 kilometers per hour, and eventually, of course, team will rejoin. The team will now change formation as well as the leader. The next figure, named Little Arrow, will be led by Superstars number 4, Maverick. Little Arrow will salute the audience with 4 flares. Then the group will end the sequence with a symbolic element we named the Champagne. Champagne is symbolized with airplanes flying in all directions and flares being released in an interesting way. Again, it will take our superstars a little bit of time to prepare for this complicated element, so I will say a few more words about flanker airplane. Sukhoi 27, also known as P-42, Sukhoi factory number P-1015, was specially prepared for setting several world records, proving the flanker was better than USA-designed and built F-15 Eagle. P-42 was extensively modified, including removing the paint to save weight. Complete radar unit was removed as well. Engines were modified to gain some 1,000 kilograms of static thrust. These and other modifications gave an unparalleled thrust-to-weight ratio of 1.93, enabling this incredible machine to pass the speed of Mach 1 in a vertical climb. Ladies and gentlemen, superstars are already or almost ready to form a little arrow formation. And if you would be looking at this formation from the top, you will see that it looks indeed like a little arrow. Remember, we'll salute the audience with releasing some players. We always release 4 sets of players, symbolizing 4C, the name of our virtual squadron. And here we go, the players are released. Separation. A few more players. That was some time. And team is now separated in 2 groups. One group will be a 3-ship and another group is solo. 3-ship group will prepare for landing while we are entertained by solo stunts of our lead element, Dolphin. The first aerobatic maneuver is called Square Loop. Entrance speed was 700 kilometers per hour, and Dolphin pulled some 7 to 8 Gs on that first corner to make it as sharp as possible. At the top of the square, at altitude of about 1700 meters, the speed dropped to as low as 350 kilometers per hour. Altitude was precisely maintained. The last edge of the square is in making right now. Another very hard turn. Then goes 2 bent loops, both of them performed in slated planes. If looking from the top, these 2 bent loops look like flower radishes. Alright, next one we have a aerobatic figure called the Screw, which will end up with releasing some players. As you can see, Dolphin will perform vertical loops over here, but they will be shifted in space to create an image of a screw. Our second group is at the south of the runway. Nice formation over there indeed, and they're preparing for landing. Alright, now we go into a classic aerobatic maneuver over here called Knife Edge. Well, Knife Edge has been performed by many different pilots. And Knife Edge appears to be a simple thing to do, but it is very, very tricky to do it right. Knife Edge requires very precise inputs on the rudder pedals, as well as very, very good